Mlynedd ar 20 bellach ers i Undeb NFU Cymru gydnabod cyfraniad menywod merched i'r diwydiant amaeth, a bob dydd Iau yma ar faes y sioe maen nhw'n cyhoeddi pwy ydi Ffermwraig y Flwyddyn. Mae un o'r beirniad yn gwmni mi fan hyn, Heather Holgate. Fel cystadleuaeth eleni, pa mor gryf oedd hi?
Oedd nifer fawr o pobl wedi cael ei rhoi mlaen ar gyfer y gwobr. Oedd hi'n galed iawn i ni penderfynu pwy i rhoi cyfweld, ond nath ni tynnu nhw lawr i rhai a cyfweld nhw, a oedd y safon yn uchel iawn.
Ac o ran rôl y menywod yma, chwilio am beth ydych chi'n union?
Rhywun sydd yn rhan o'r busnes, sydd yn helpu gyda'r penderfyniadau, y gwaith, datblygu'r busnes, sut i symud pethau ymlaen, a delio gyda pethau fel mae'r systemau newid dros y blynydde.
A heb enwi'r person rwan, pam wnaethoch chi ddewis yr enillydd wnaethoch chi ddewis?
So, yr enillwyr Lenny, nath hi dangos i ni bod hi'n cymryd rôl mawr iawn yn rhedeg y ffarm, ar rhan y gwaith bob dydd ac hefyd ar rhan datblygu'r ffarm a sut i trefnu pethau. Hefyd, mae'n gwneud tipyn yn y cymuned ac hefyd mae'n gwneud gwaith gyda DPJ Foundation.
A'r enillydd eleni yw?
Annie James o Hafod Banc y Ffordd.
Dyma hi, llongyfarchiadau mawr, Annie. Well done, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What an achievement.
Thank you.
And everybody here, especially with the DPJ Foundation, they're thrilled, absolutely thrilled for you.
Thank you very much.
So tell me about the farm and your role within the work that's done on the farm.
So we took on the farm 12 years ago with my dad and my husband, but we've since bought Dad out of the business. So we've worked hard over that time to grow the herd and to improve the infrastructure and to really make something of the opportunities that we've been given within the farm. We've got 150 spring calving dairy cows. We supply Arla, and we rear our own replacements. And we've grass-based system. We try and keep things fairly simple.
But apart from the work that you're doing on the farm, you've also been awarded because of the work that you do with the DPJ Foundation. Yeah. When did you get involved with the DPJ?
So I was given the opportunity to join the Agri Academy course 7 years ago, and after that, during that, we were given a presentation by Emma, the founder of DPJ. Really opened my eyes up to what the foundation does, and I really believed in the ethos of supporting the community. So I became a volunteer then, and I've volunteered with them ever since then. And last year I was given the chance to apply for a job, I suppose, and now I work part-time for them and obviously at home as well.
And what does that work involve exactly?
The work with DPJ is mainly projects, so it's our 10-year anniversary this year. So through that, we've had a few extra things, I suppose, that we've been doing. So we've released a podcast series. We had a special dinner here at the Royal Welsh on Tuesday night, kindly hosted by the CLA. And we have a bike ride coming up, actually, which is why we've got a bike on our stand. So we've got a bike ride from North to South Wales at the end of August. So.
And the DPJ Foundation, it's all about sharing the load, isn't it? Because it can be a very lonely world to be in.
Yeah, so I guess some of the other work that I do, as well as the projects work, is also post-vention support work. So we support families and communities when they've lost somebody very dear to them. So it's really important work, really vital work that we do. So I'm honoured to be able to be part of that and just help people a little bit through that.
Well, thank you for that.
Thank you.
Very, very important work. A llongyfarchiadau mawr, enillydd heiddiannol iawn, Heather, ynde?
Yn hollol.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah.
And then it's home i odro.
Yes.
Milking?
Yeah. So, well, not tonight. I've got the relief milker in tonight. But I was milked this morning, and looking forward to a bit of a reset back in my parlour again, and
get back to your cows.
Yeah.
Ardderchog. Well, enjoy the day. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn iawn.
Diolch.